Solvait Human Capital Management HCM solutions for Microsoft Dynamics 365 help organizations to plan, develop, and optimize the human capital management enterprises capabilities to have streamlined HR functions. Solvait HCM is built on top of Dynamics 365. It uses Dynamics 365 framework platform, which means it supports multi-language, Arabic and English in all screens, menus and reports. It also supports multi-currency. Payroll can be generated in multiple currencies for one company, multiple currencies for one pay group, and multiple currencies for the employee himself in one pay cycle. It also supports multi-company. Workers can be transferred from one company into another. They also can be paid partially or totally from a different company than the company they are saved at. Here is an overview of Solvait solutions. Solvait HR for human resources, for hiring, training, assessing, and managing today's workforce. Solvait Payroll, it covers employees' wages, leaves with a flexible calculation formulas, and localization to the local regulations. Solvait Self-Services, for automating organizations' processes to have a paperless HR services environment. Administration, managing and optimizing HR administrating documents, communication, as well as services. BI and Analytics, for transforming the HCM data into useful information for insight analysis and better decision making. Solvait Mobile, which is an intuitive, unified and easy to use application to enable employees submitting their requests. Let's start with the human resources. Here is an example of organization structure in human resources. Positions are displayed in a visual way to help identifying which positions are filled and which are vacant. It also helps to show relations between different positions in the company. In addition, it shows what's planned by the HR department for the current organization structure, as well as in the future as a draft. History of positions hierarchy can be maintained and will be effective according to the effective date. One of the main features in human resources is recruitment. Recruitment cycle that starts from recruitment request on self-services and goes into a workflow until it reaches recruitment project after approval. You can also manage applications, applicants, job ads, and interviews. There are also inquiries and reports tools help to select candidates. Employee contract. This is the financial document of the employees, where it records employee grades and steps, basic salary, pay group, social insurance salary, annual leave, allowances and deductions, and costs. Performance appraisal. Employees will be evaluated either by their managers only or by their managers as well as themselves. Goals will be set up and discussed with employees. Then those employees will be evaluated against those goals. Training and courses. This is the cycle of employees' development. The cycle starts from HR who are publishing courses to Dynamics 365 and specifies the following to allow employees to request trainings like course types, classroom groups, course locations, classrooms, and structures. Our second solution is payroll. Here is the payroll cycle, which is a simple and flexible life cycle to generate a payroll in 4 main steps. The first step, workers and contracts, which includes employees' data and contract, which will be done once and might update it later. The second step is transactions. Payroll transactions such as loans, leaves, other additions, and other deductions. The second to the last, which is the third step, pay cycle. Generating monthly salaries for a pay group, this can be repeated until final confirmation. When pay cycle is confirmed, all payments will hit financial accounts according to posting profile, which is in the last step. which is post to ledger. The second main feature in Payroll is time and attendance. It provides automatic calculation for absence, overtime, lateness, and leave early. You can also import from Excel or direct integration with attendance machines. Timesheet to allocate cost per project or financial dimensions. It also provides inquiries and reports in different views. Timesheet would add value to project-based companies where cost of those projects or any cost centers is critical to be calculated. Our payroll module helps you to create multiple types of loans. Each type will have different way of calculation, validation, and eligibility. When loan request is approved as per the configured workflow, the loan will be created with its installments as per loan type setup. Employee then can reschedule or yearly pay some or all loan installments. One of the main features in payroll module, leaves management. Leave setup, setting up multiple types of leaves as per labor law as well as company policies. Request and workflow, leave balance inquiry. The ability to request from Solvait self-services portal with a configurable workflow. Registration and return. System will calculate leave balance and amount, ticket balance and amount, and the ability to pay leave immediately. Payroll integration with other modules. Integration with finance and projects accounting. With the HCM posting profile, integration with any payment calculated, paid or deducted is done seamlessly. Worker subledger is developed to allow financial reporting. Project costs can be calculated in payroll with the integration of timesheet out of the box. Because the system is built on top of Dynamics 365 ERP, it takes the advantage of other modules by standard integration. Solvait self-services portal. You can empower your employees with full access to their data and support productivity with a modern software that supports self-services capabilities. We help you to empower your employees by giving them access and control of their own data. The portal provides 22 plus services like appraisal, competencies, attendance, in addition to different types of requests like leave request, loan request, EOS request, which is end of service request, recruitment request, and excuse requests. The portal can be personalized by the administrator. You can add your company logo, change colors, and font type. The portal, S portal, Solvait self-services portal, is responsive to browser screen, laptop, tablet, and mobile, which means you can open it from your laptop, from your tablet, or from your mobile. Solvait administration. Solvait administration allows you to manage company visas, HR fund agreement, government relations transaction for employees and company, in addition to company documents. Government relation administration allows planning, execution, evaluation, and reporting for companies' visas, operation with government, social insurance, and HR fund. Solvait administration helps you to set up company's accommodation for employees with reports to show vacant rooms. It also helps you to manage anything related to vehicles, from maintenance to fuels and fines. You can also record company power resources such as power, water, and telecommunication, and anything related to utilities management. Solvait for BI and analytics. There are two role centers, HR Manager Dashboard and Payroll Manager Dashboard. Easy to use, configure, customize business intelligence tools to retrieve and analyze HR and payroll data stored in Dynamics 365. Configured Payroll Manager Dashboard, which is easy to use to get insight analysis about company's payroll, financial figures, and counts. Our last solution is Solvait mobile application. Solvait Mobile is an intuitive, unified, and easy-to-use application to enable employees submitting their requests. The application connects you with your workforce and provides your employees with everything they need on their mobile devices. Solvait Mobile is integrated with Microsoft Dynamics 365. Solvait Mobile application main features: you can let your employees access their profiles, dashboard, and requests from anywhere and anytime. You can get the latest application versions by monthly release updates with the available fixes and the new features. You can enable your employees to view the recent requests in an intuitive dashboard design with their updated numbers. The application keeps all the details and information about all employees working in your organization, such as name, position, employee grade, employment date, functional number, and others. Solvait Mobile application provides an intuitive and easy-to-use interface. Employees can add, modify, and delete any type of requests, such as leave request, loan request, business trip request, all from their phones. In order to provide real-time connection with your employees, the application provides notifications with the ability of turning them off. Solvait Mobile puts all your employees' information, requests, and inquiries at your fingertips. Solvait Mobile application available on iOS and Android. You can download it from App Store and you can download it from Google Play Store. For more information, please visit solvait.com.